Now we're gonna prepare our bok choy with mushrooms and our golden rice balls. I got here a kabocha squash. This is a really strong type of squash, and I'm gonna just use only half of it. So, gotta use my cleaver. That's why I'm using the cleaver, because it's a much stronger knife. Okay. Other side. Whoa! Be careful when you do it. This is a very strong squash. As you can tell, I haven't been lifting my weights at the gym. All right. I prepared a pot for steaming our nangwa squash. So we're gonna put this in here for 15 minutes, and look, it's so steamy. It's like a beauty, what do you say? A beauty technique where you can make your skin look nice. Go ahead, put this in. 15 minutes, cover it, and we'll see. It's been 15 minutes and our squash should be ready. Let me check. Oh yes, so soft, a fork goes right through it. Perfect. I'm going to remove it. Now I'm going to smash it up with a fork. All right, looks like it's smashed up. All right, everything has been smashed up, and now we get to make our rice bowls. So I'm gonna use a bigger bowl. I got my glutinous rice flour, and pour that in there. And I'm gonna add a little bit of our squash at a time. I'm not gonna pour the whole thing in because I gotta actually mix it like dough. Look at, you can see the colors are starting to form. So we got our squash rice bowl all doughed up. Now we're gonna start making the balls out of this. Just roll it out a bit. I think that's about good, yeah? Good to me. All right, so I'm gonna pull off a small bit. A little ball. The last ball. Okay, let's get these ready. We're gonna cook our final dish of our bok choy with mushrooms and golden rice balls. So our pan is already hot. Oil's in there, ready. All we have to do is just fry it up. Look at, you hear that sizzling? Actually, because I got a little bit of water in there. But all right, let's go ahead and fry these guys up. Woo! Some ginger. Soy sauce. Little Chinese rice wine. I have some vegetable stock. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover this and then I'm gonna cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes. While our mushrooms are cooking, we're going to cook our tangyuan, which is our rice bowls. Just drop it in one at a time and then make sure the water is boiling and give it a little stir so they don't stick together. Looks like our golden balls are floating. So what does that mean? It means it's ready. I'm gonna take them out. Wow, look at that. Looks like golden nuggets. Now that our rice balls are ready, now it's time to blanch our bok choy, our Shanghai bok choy. Okay, so I'm just gonna toss them in there. I'm gonna blanch them for about, let's say, 40 seconds. So when you blanch your bok choy, make sure you have oil and salt in the water to make sure that they stay green. And I'm putting them in an ice cold bath. An ice cold bath. So they can stop the cooking process. And we want to make sure we keep that bright green color. Our mushrooms are just about done. So I'm gonna take our top off, give it a nice stir, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of oyster sauce. I'm gonna remove the mushrooms before I thicken the starch or thicken the sauce up. All right, our sauce for our bok choy is bubbling, boiling hot. So I'm gonna add our cornstarch slurry in slowly, just to thicken it up. Okay, I'm gonna dress our bok choy, the mushrooms. So nice. Time for our golden balls, sticky balls. There we go. We finished our 3 dishes for our Chinese New Year that we celebrate here in America. So let's sit down and eat. Our Chinese New Year dinner is ready. So I wish everyone a happy Chinese New Year, happy Lunar New Year, and happy Year of the Ox. Be safe and enjoy.